long and short A sounds. Master English pronunciation and phonetics rules. Let's look at the ways which the vowel A can be pronounced. Firstly, we'll start with the short vowel sounds. The first pronunciation sounds like you are screaming, "Ah!" It's pronounced from deep in the back of your throat. For example, apple and castle, glass and January. The next one sounds like A and is pronounced through the middle part of your mouth. For example, anything, bet, pen, and said. This pronunciation sounds like you are thinking and saying, For example, annoy, gorilla, sofa, and Victoria. Let's move on to the long vowel sounds. The first pronunciation sounds like the letter A. It's pronounced from deep in the back of your throat. For example, angel, fake, may, play, tame, and taste. This sound comes from deep in the back of your throat. It's a voice sound and it rhymes with awe. For example, audio, August, call, taller, and water. And finally, this sound happens when an A is followed by the letter R. It's like you are saying "ah" to a cute baby. For example, arm, artist, carpet, march, and Stuart. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on vowel sounds.